Today I'm going to teach you how to replace blank cells in Google Sheets with a specific value. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to quickly fill in missing information with a default number or text. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to replace the blank cells. For this tutorial, let's say you have a sample data set with several blank cells scattered throughout, and you want to replace all of them with a value like 10. Now here's where the magic happens. Press Ctrl-H on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will instantly open the Find and Replace dialog box. This tool is powerful because it allows you to search for specific patterns and replace them all at once, saving you tons of time compared to manually filling in each cell. In the Find field, you'll need to type $$*$. Now this might look confusing at first, but this is a regular expression that specifically targets empty cells. Think of it as a special code that tells Google Sheets to look for cells that contain absolutely nothing. Next, move down to the Replace With field. This is where you'll type the value you want to fill those blank cells with. For this example, type 10. However, you can replace it with any number, text, or symbol that fits your needs. Now look for the Search drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see several options. Select this sheet to ensure that the replacement only happens on the current sheet you're working on. This prevents accidentally changing data on other sheets in your workbook. Here's a critical step. You need to check the checkbox that says Search using regular expressions. This option enables Google Sheets to understand that special code you typed in the Find field. Without checking this box, Google Sheets will just search for that exact text instead of interpreting it as a pattern for empty cells. Finally, click Replace All. Google Sheets will now scan through your entire sheet, find all the blank cells, and replace them with the value 10. You'll see a confirmation showing how many replacements were made. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Done to close the dialog box. And there you have it. All your blank cells are now filled with your chosen value, making your dataset complete and ready for analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.